Hey guys, welcome to another SketchUp tutorial brought to you by Professional CAD Systems in Hamilton, New Zealand. My name's Russell, and today we're going to take a good look at groups and components and how they work. So just using the front wall of our cabin here, if we click the wall, we'll see that it selects all of our group. So all the blue is one group. Now if we want to edit anything in the group, we need to be working in that group. So how you do that is by piecing together, like hovering your cursor over the group and double clicking, and that'll throw up your etch box. It'll also open up all the editables within this group. So these little quad, square, triangle, rectangles are all components, and there may be some other groups in here as well, which I think are these side pieces. You can open those and they have components in them, 2 studs and 4 blocks, 1, 2 and 4 blocks, 5 blocks. So to edit those we'll use some nogs, because I know that these are components, so we'll show you how that works once you're in the group. So we're in the group now, editing the group. If we select that component, we can double click, and now we're in that component and that is editable. It's a little bit difficult to say we want to push pull, use the push pull tool to make this nog narrower or wider, because we're going to change some of the framing. It's a little bit difficult to do that when you can't see the edge faces and such. So there is an option to hide the rest of this grouping. I've got a shortcut, which is the H tool on my toolbar, so everything that's not related to this component will be hidden. Then I can get my push-pull tool, access that face, and reduce or extend that component, and that's what it looks like in real time. So if you want to create these shortcuts, you can go to Window, Preferences. You sort of need to know what you're looking for, but hide all model or view component, full beams. This one here, view component, edit, hide rest of model. So you'd click that and see my assigned letter is H. So if I can delete that and then pop an H in here and push plus, and that will populate that. So if I reset that, pop an H in there, plus, would you like to reassign H to view components? Yes, I would. And then you must click OK. If you click cancel, you won't have that shortcut. So OK. So this is one aspect of it. If you want to just edit that piece, which is what I want to do to this bottom plate, I would work in the group, edit the bottom plate, hide the rest, but whoop, it looks like this top plate is related to this bottom plate. So what I've done is I must have created a component and then copied the component. So what I want to do is make this unique. So if I go back a step, select this using left click, one left click, then right click on it, I can make it unique. Now when I double click, the top plate is gone, so I can edit this component. Now I need to use some of this wall to derive my lines to cut. So I'll grab the line tool. We want to pull a line down on that section. So we're cutting this piece of bottom plate out so that we can pop a door in, and I'll show you once these lines are created how handy the hide tool can be, because obviously I need to cut a line underneath and across here. So if I hide all of that, I can now use the axes, I think it's the green, to join those points. Now if you can't see, you can use your cursor buttons. Up is green axes, no, blue axes. Right is red and left is green, so that will lock those on. Now I've got my lines drawn. I can now use my cursor, select those, and just delete the geometry that I don't want, or I can drag select, or I can use the erase tool. So I drag select, delete, then I can turn the rest of my drawing back on, and the bottom plate has been edited, cut, and ready for the door to go in. So there is more to this which we'll probably cover later, where we can select the group, copy it, and export this entire wall as a component. We can flip it and export that and save it, so that you create a whole plethora of a library. So it's pretty powerful stuff, but hopefully that helps you to be a little bit richer in your skills and manipulate the software more easily. Thanks for joining me.